This is the brand new Frigidaire window air conditioner to our outer garage at our house. Right here. It's obviously running right now. That's the warm air coming out. I'm pretty sure it's blowing cold air inside. Let me walk in. There will be music playing. Country music, and you're hearing My Best Friend by Tim McGraw. Yep, it's blowing nice and cold air. It's on high cool. Here's our here's the inside of the outer garage. There's a TV that can watch movies out here. Now you guys can. There's supposed to be cars in here, yes, but we decided to turn it into a room. So yeah. Walk back outside. So there's the air conditioner again on the outside. I think this is where you can see the fan and everything in here. This is where you can see the compressor and everything, which is right back here. So you can see the fan from over here too. Also, this almost looks like the exact same one we had for our upstairs when our upstairs AC went out. And yes, it's the same shape, except this one we had wasn't ours. So, yeah. So it's the one we just bought. So, now if you're asking how much was it, I do not know to be exact. Because my sisters and my brother-in-laws, they bought it for the outer garage, so yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll do a startup and shutdown very soon. Sorry, I almost dropped you guys. I'll do a startup and shutdown very soon. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
When it's hot, eat a root beer popsicle. Shut off the AC and roll the windows down. Let that summer sunshine always stay humble.